Okay, good morning po. I'm sorry in behalf of the city, for the whole city government of Laoag, because we wanted to have a perfect celebration of the Charter Month. But then, a mistake happened during the Inabel competition, wherein Kate, our staff in the tourism office, is in charge of the tabulation. Then after DJ event apo, do nakita yung met siguro. Nakita yung met siguro apo nga amin nga naipresentar ti designers during that night. Ket naramid da iti passion and love da for their creativity and craftsmanship. Napinta sa amin na ipakita. And then na-declare DJ winners. I did not question the result kasi ti pinagkita amin ket napintas. So I did not question the result. But then after nga nakaawid amin nga guessen, somebody approached me that there's a mistake with the result. So nagkigtutak na panaken Kate. Kate is the one who tabulated the result. And then DJ Yanti tabulation, nagkaroon iti glitch DJ computer, which is nag-zero DJ dadu mga designers, nag-zero DJ result na, which affected the total result. Okay. Pinirmaan net, okay lang nga kasi ti result, kasi napipinta sa amin eh. But then, ka-DJ nga idinaamuak nga adda kamali ka deto'y resulta, I made my decision. It was my personal decision as the tourism officer and the events organizer to tell the truth to the designers. Inayabak amin nga designers apo, di conference hall, da kami amin the 17, and I'm so happy. I am so grateful with all the designers kasi they support each other. Whatever DJ resulta, ket naghihinagda, they supported each other. They acknowledge the craftsmanship of each one of them. And I'm so happy nga adda dadtoy with us. So, dagiti declared winners are winners talaga. Nagkasukat lang ti dadu mga posisyon. But then, dagitoy din winners based kadeti result. Ket inayaban mi met. No anaman di na ited mi nga award, they deserve it. Dagitoy na awardan da tayo, they deserve also DJ. Haming babawi, no anaman DJ prize na naawat da, whatever DJ na ited mi, haming nga inalan, haming babawi DJ yan, which is agreed upon by all the 17 designers. So what we did, which we will give today, dagitoy winners tayo dadagtoy, ited mi kanyada, no anaman DJ, inted mi ka DJ na i-declare nga winners. So ited mi din what is due for them. So I would like to apologize for this mistake, Mayor, and to all our kailians. So this is an honest mistake. So one intention me of anything, and I would like to apologize to all the 17 designers who joined our Inabel competition. Just tag na kanya yun.
No, but you present.
Yeah, so I would like to present to you, tapno din ma-explain natin side na of what happened. So, ada ni Kate, iso natin nag-tabulate po DJ resulta.
Agda po dito'y para ag-explain no anat napasamak during po the tabulation of the event. Inted da po kanyak dagiti score po ti judges. And asyak po tinagin po ti Excel no anat ti inkabil dagiti judges. Bali di Excel po is ada inem nga sheets na 5 sheets po, ada 5 sheets nga para ti each po nga judge nga isot in-input ko nga in-double check kada da amin. Tatanjay mesa nga sheet po is naka-formula isuna nga mabagkat amin nga scores ni judges nga mapan-idzayan ti mesa nga sheet. Tatanti mistake ko po talaga nga jak po isuna nga adapt po madi kadigiti formulas idzayan ti sheet nga jak pulos po nakita nga basol comment po talaga. Then in print ko lata po isunan and sakmet lang na amuanin nga adagayang madina po after po the event din. And I really ibagak malat apology po kadagiti aming nga designers. Kasi siya po talaga aking basol no apo. Nagmandi DJ result na DJ event. Especially po kadagiti supposedly nga winners. Sorry po. Apologize po. Wala.